God bless you all. Welcome to my Friendly Maths channel. Let's enjoy this Sunday morning with these two puzzles. And the question one is, Sonal went 50 meters south from her house, then turned left and went 20 meters, then turned north and went 30 meters. In which direction is her house from this place? Four options are given: north, northeast, east and northwest. Okay. And the second puzzle is, three figures are given here and you need to find what comes in place of question mark. Here in first figure 4, 9, 6. Here in second 9, 16, 12. Third one 16. And here you need to find out, and here it is given 20. Four options are given: 21, 25, 50 and 60. Right everyone? If you have enjoyed these puzzles, then please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the channel, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Its detailed explanation in Hindi is already uploaded in my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. All the very best. Enjoy your morning.